Yeah, welcome back to PFS Films. Guys, remember, we have a Panama trip and we find a better way and a cheaper way to travel. We decide our mind to travel to Kingston because Kingston is 20,000 cheaper for who can make it to Montego Bay. So we change course. Because no people call me and say, oh, we can go to Montego Bay because it's expensive. Is there anywhere we can go where we can have a low budget? Yeah, we find a low budget. And guess what? It's 60 to 63,000. We have spent 1999 country. But who can spend 1990? We will break it down. From the 18 to the 25, you want to spend 7 nights. Or if you don't want to spend less than 7, if you don't want to spend 2 weeks, but you want to get the chance to travel on the day when we are travel, so it's more easier for you to go in. You know, enough people in Jamaica always want to travel and afraid to travel because they don't know how to go through. Even a Spanish country, because you know Panama City is a Spanish country, and I can tell you, Panama City is nice and cheap. If you're a person that sell clothes, your best thing you do is shop in Panama because you can get a suit for $199. For girls, me don't know if a man, but me know if me go there, me can tell her, Kayla can tell her, because me make them go there. Then can tell her, me can them go every store. Where we're gonna stay, we have access to the back street where we can walk. There's a lot of shopping store there, supermarket there. We can go to Albrook Mall where you shop. You can, you know, so you will get even the round way and enjoy yourself. And we also will gonna shoot in Panama. So if you don't want to come and see yourself in the movie on the screen, no problem. Just hit me up right here, so. And then all the thing needed, just passport, nothing else, no ID, no TRN, nothing at all, just your passport and that's it. And the plane fare, that's it. The room now, tell you how the room is gonna calculate now. I think it makes sense to the car, but the room now, we give you an example. If a 2 hour, the room is very cheaper for 2 hours. But if a 1 hour, I same thing for 2. So if you don't want to come on the group trip, we separate some people from share in a one room, that's it. 2 bed, two share 1 bed, yeah. But if we talk too much still, so now if you call me. We can't talk too long, watch the movie, enjoy it, and tell me what you think.
So, mommy, I
Evening.
feel if I all the way down this and come up here stuff. Me like when they down this stuff. Me like when me so far, me not glad for see.
I'm not glad, me not glad to see you. At the attitude where you have.
Me say evening.
Me hear when I say evening and I did answer and I said good evening, but listen to me. Me know why you dey talk to me so, because you see trying to me you grow with your father and you dey disrespect him up the butt. Me know. Not because you're 18. Me know about everything we are going to, but make it under so. Not because you're 18-year-old.
But that is the old part, mommy.
Yes, when you hear me attack, you shut your dirty mouth, because me different from your father. Me head mad, your father head good. Where you come about? You always a con stay. Yeah, you can spend holiday all the while, but what is the problem this time? If I have one time in your life, little girl talk it truth, what your problem? Holiday you come for?
Yes, mommy. No, mommy. Maybe so, mommy. Me no know, mommy. But me no, mommy. I can't daddy know want me go out. Me not 18 and he know want me go out.
So,
When me come in after 12, you must say me I come in after 3.
so you want to tell me say your father no time.
No,
You come
mommy.
in after 12 and he say after 3.
Yes, mommy.
So if you believe
Sometimes
you
me
and disbelieve when me I talk, don't talk, shut up. So when your father say you come in after 3 and after 3 you come in, is after 12 or 12. Which one? I know which one you know. Which one? So you take your father for idiot. So you feel say true me and your father no depend the same line, cause me and him no plan peas in the same line, you know. But you see when he come on to pick me know he stay, you too lie. If your father say at 3 o'clock you come in or after 3 or after 4, me believe him. Because your feel say true you're 18. You can do as you like. And you know feel like I say, the 2 years them we God give you. You fi use them and listen no more. Because you think say you're on your own, but me go tell you something. You're on your own when you're underneath your roof.
Listen, me fit up in nice. Listen, me tap in nice. Me dey ask it.
Just listen what me say and shut up. You're on your own when you're under your own roof. You're not even listening to your stepmother. What is your problem?
Step on something you walk one, mommy, remember?
You're full of chat. No wonder why your father called on my phone. I don't want him call my phone, you know, because he might disturb me all much o'clock in the night when you no come home.
Black him then.
You know, me know say I lie you a tell. Me make your father video in your room and the whole house. You're neither the outside, can yard full of light. And he always turn on he
I
like them.
sleep over there, this me coulda have.
Boy, he video in the whole house, you know, in your room. And you go tell me, say, when me look on the time on my phone after 3:52, you go tell me, say, I lie your father, they tell little girl. It's holiday, you come for that, you tell me.
Camera on your house, you can check them.
Stop tell lie. Me see footage already. Stop tell lie. You hear me? Stop tell lie. Me no want no holiday you come
Book
but.
me from lie detector
I
test, mommy.
come you come fi stay, but the way you lie. You can't stand up as a big, mature 18-year-old girl and say, Mommy, me do this and me do that and me wrong and my father vex about it. Me sorry, me know me never apologize, but he vex and send me away. Me come fi stay with you. No, you can't. Now give you time to talk. Cause it come like I say, you can't wait till me done talk. You have to join the conversation while me talking, which that wrong. I say you grow up there. Oh, so a good way that when people talk, you talk. So you don't have no manners. Don't shake your head off for me. Open up your mouth and talk. No,
Yes,
me the
mommy.
question you, you're not saying anything. When me they talk, you they talk. When no me they ask you something, you zip. What your problem? What the problem with you and your father and your stepmother and the rest of people them in the
woman. So they bring woman me come out, come here hear better rock around. Yes, ma'am.
You're in your own room and you listen for your stepmother.
No, God give me ears for a reason. I'm tell you step as you walk.
God give everybody ears to hear. You they listen when you're not to listen.
Me I hate
No wonder why your father catch you outside and underneath the tree the night with this big old ugly looking black boy. He send the picture up on me phone. Are you? So me have me pick me to you know.
He text me and say want try helicopter.
What? Who texts you and tell you that?
The big ugly black boy.
Oh.
Yes,
so
mommy.
How the big you see you think on Lily girl pick me easy? So how the big ugly boy where the class have your number if he text you and tell you about where that helicopter landing? Doggy this. Wheelbarrow that.
When I reach a dog style yet, me have to go.
Well, hey, remember say your mother you talk to. Careful. Be careful of where they do with that little mouth here. Manners. How he get your number? How that boy get your number? And what kind of crosses them there the kind of family? Look how you're nice looking. Every minute. No, you don't know if you talk you're dumb.
I like daddy that too.
Oi, me not in the and the and the with you. You go talk to me like a one little 18-year-old where have sense.
Alright, mommy, I see the boy, I like the boy. And he say, want to try helicopter, so I did the out there try.
So you're not about a virgin again? No answer me, so you don't understand. I say you broke bad.
Hmm?
Eh? Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Where
Eh?
daddy me
Where the
get it
pan?
from?
That you get it from? Well, broke it out. Down here, so. It
Mm-hmm.
different from up there, so. It's two different place and different type of people and we talk different way. Uno depend picking me.
So you have man?
Look here, that is my personal business. Me a
But me
big
a
woman.
daughter.
Yes, you're my daughter, but another way there you ask me question.
Alright, mommy, do I have a... No, step aside here, what happened? You have man? No, mommy. Do you... Make it time, mommy.
Me fi answer you?
No, mommy.
Me no depend that now. That are my
Okay, mommy.
personal life story. And me is not size. And not true you no grow with me, you know. No matter if you say me afraid fi take piece of take and whap up your backside, you know. Me no in
I
it
am
with you
so
today, you know.
sorry, mommy.
Anyway, you don't come ask what about around here so why what?
Eh?
Why me live around here so? Why me
Yes.
never war? Where you say about around here so and down
Why
there
you
so?
move come so far? No, that's a did better.
Hey, hey. Okay, you see down there so a problem. Problem down there so but you see
You
if you
can take
come
it
down
back
with some
from me,
good money,
please? I am so tired.
give me.
God bless you. I may answer question them now. What you say?
You see, if you know, say you come down with some good money, cause you act like you did a work and you never did work. You come
Money?
down with some nice money, if you help parent down there so, when we move from around
That's a
here
one
so,
reason why
and go
daddy
down
run
there
me
so.
down to. I me did thief out to my money. He need to give me no nice money. You take your money and give you step.
So you
Step
not
on
expect say,
stairs.
at your age, you don't know say you take a look at work.
Hmm?
Why you
Work?
thief out your father money? You don't know say
Time
work
I
if you
take your
look.
money, give step on stairs. Why me fi take it when me
Everything you take
work?
for joke. Come. Come show you, Sean. Come, run your family. Come. Come, me can't bother with you no more.
Mommy, me I can't go on the road. Catch the cool breeze first.
As you come,
Yeah, me just tell you.
what is your problem?
Problem? Go look some
You want
food
me
for
just
me.
send you back straight at bus park and you just go straight up back up at your father? I know nothing. I told you that pan. Because you just come in here and you're ready
Oh,
to
the
go
place you
outside.
just send me from the roadside, cause me nah go back up and that don't want me back up there.
Me not
And if
send
nothing from the roadside, you police are come
me
to. So
not
make
send
up
up
your
on the
mind.
roadside. Me just make up my mind. You make up your mind and me tell you say me your father is not the same thing. Be careful you talk to me under this. Your father might live in a mansion, big wall house and everything. Me thank God for the little piece of kata kuchu kuchu way over my head. You understand?
Thank
You
you
see
God
little
for
piece of
who?
kata kuchu kuchu way over my head? Nobody
Katakuchu?
come talk to me so hard tonight because you don't know how hard me work to get this. Or you could have even 50-year-old me shot you one left hand. Don't do it. Me
Use
just
the
simply
right
ask you one
hand.
question. You just come and you're ready for leave already. What is the
Mommy, me
problem?
a big woman, just make me go on now.
Then like you have big woman you not go on to your man. Me
That
are
is
no
it.
big woman nasty underneath the
That's why
same
me they go
roof.
on.
Me are no big woman nasty underneath the same roof. Me say be careful how you talk to me youth.
Me not tell the tappy and baby say, warm to you. Mommy, I'm sorry. Can put back my bag over here,
Can you take,
please?
you know what me realize? You take everything for joke. But me and all I mother them is not the same woman.
God
Cause me head no good.
help me. Mommy, me just say me they go
So
on.
if you plan to come stay, although you tell me lie about no damn blasted holiday, and me know say you come
Me
to
nah
stay
go to
forever.
school, I not
And a matter
holiday.
of fact, look here. You know what? Me not go follow up what you say. Listen, me know you come to stay forever. But you say you catch up with your father, big old 18-year-old tough king girl. They go on like I say you want to live for your father and tell me about your thief your father money. You
Mommy,
go come down here so come
come
work.
here, come here.
You go come work and I go catch up in your stuff
Oh,
on
God.
this.
Mommy, come here now.
Cause you're full of too much talking and you don't like work.
Me let me
For a long time when I did used to come down here for holiday and you not to replay them and you used to watch and so you go
I don't
again.
meet out of them.
Me
Feel
know.
me hand
Me know, big
soft
up
and I'm
yourself.
not tough.
You know what? Yeah, go on.
Okay.
You say you want go on the road, go on.
Yes. And make sure you cook when me come back.
Yeah,
And me
man.
go
And if me don't cook it, beat me, my mother.
beat you?
Yeah.
Me no know.
My mother beat me.
Yeah.
My mother, if me don't cook when I come back, bust me ass. Bright, big old 18-year-old tough king girl like you, me fi come cook together. Never name go name shit.
Yes, so as me say, you have to the focus and find work. Cause you now follow me a daytime go work, but yet you want to eat down the place. Yam down the place.
Hello, good evening. What is the time, sir?
The time, you know it's that evening, so you don't know the time. Me not no phone for me enough to tell the time. 2:32. Oh, 2:32.
Oh. You say I hospital man me go stand like.
What up for me? Serious?
Me not smile.
You like me?
Yeah.
For money, I just like me.
You don't look like you have money, but me like you.
I have money. You know, say my son look good.
You
Me
don't look
have
like you
money.
have money though. But we still like her. For sure, somebody didn't like it.
Oh, that's you see that's if you get yourself them nice girl. I see, nice woman. Well, anyway, take my number.
Me not carry my phone ever.
Uh,
Alright, me remember me have good.
876 36 36 916.
Okay.
You get it, Chief?
Yes.
Good. And what your name?
Me Tiana, what your name?
What your name?
Tiana, what is your
Oh, my name Papa J.
Papa J?
Yeah, everybody call me Papa J.
Me can call you Puppy J.
No, me not deal with nothing named Puppy. Me no want no Puppy for my name. Call me
Daddy J.
No, man, me not like the sound of that, man.
Alright, Papa J.
Call me Papa J or call me. Well, they always call me back then when time I was younger son.
No, you did younger than me.
Oh yeah. Some girl used to call me Sugar Daddy. I don't know what that means.
Call
but,
him Sugar.
But you can call me Sugar, because I'm sweet like sugar.
Alright,
Yeah.
Sugar.
Nice knowing you.
May I text you?
Sure, no problem. Come on, son. I will show my son the business so he can take over the business, you know?
Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Come over here, so I talk to you. Huh?
you don't think say you're too old for her?
No!
You feel left her for me, like me, left them type of
No, listen to me. You have money?
No, not yet, but
Right.
you can give them for your money. You know, mommy already. So what me tell mommy say what you start chat
Your
to
mother
her?
old now, son. She old. Sometimes we don't need to tell her this because you're a big man. But sometimes when me and your mother in the bedroom, me have to take me little time.
But daddy old too, man. So you talk.
Me have to take me little time. Me not like that. The poor woman, oh God.
So what you think she a go say?
Huh?
What you think she a go say?
She they gonna make me feel young again and live look. She gonna make me feel like me the on top of the moon. You don't understand? But your mother know me can't, too much complaint, too much bawling, too much stressing, me can't manage all of that.
Feel like it's left her for me still.
Last night, I put the woman on a boy, you
Yeah, tell me what. Not tell me no why here.
we put her on a week. Oh, God have mercy. Why you have to be my son? You can't tell her the sitting there. But as me say, she get old now, if you understand. Even when you tell her to make a cup of tea, give you, what she say to you, say?
So she can't manage.
Right, so if she cannot manage a cup of tea, how she gonna manage the hackling? First of all, she can't breathe again, you know. Her breathing days done. And that one pit let me get.
Oh, so you want to get more?
Yes!
Then look,
so the right young girl that. So all she now, me will feel back young again. And me start fresh up him have more money. When they around your mother, me see me like a old people. Because the cologne them way I use, me can't manage the whole man cologne them, me not like it.
You must know, you know, daddy. You must know.
Anyway, long so you go.
Mommy?
What?
Me win top draw. Win top draw.
You win top job.
Yeah.
How much money you pay for it?
How much money you pay for? Ask me how much money me go and get.
Where you buy top jar? You understand about top jar?
Me 18 years old.
I want to about that.
Mommy.
One about that. So if you not glad up say you win on top jar, me do business because you can't catch me with money. Thank God you win, yes. Me thank God me no want no. Take your top jar. Me no say no win, you know. Me glad for you, my daughter. Me glad for you. But guess what? I do not want any of your money. Thank God you win it. Take it and see if you can buy some black and steel and cement and see if you can build a little room pan.
Get to the part. Me meet one rich old man.
What?
Excuse me, sit down, mommy.
Acha. She'll put you down. Look here, come around here, so. Come in and know where you're going around this sofa.
I think you that invite me for anything. You say that meet one rich old man.
I'm glad for you, my love. So whether a cash pot you go
so you
and buy top jar or a man you find, we have money, I do not care. Me glad for you. Me happy for you, my love. But me no want to know.
He's telling me if you power with him. So he buy me power.
First, sometimes, Jesus Christ, Father God, me never know say I want to eat that me have. First, you come in and you see your win that
That
jar.
mother like that.
Me say, me glad for you, but me no want any money. You turn it around. After me say me no want any money. And say, I want a rich man, you find.
You have money. You see the first time
Thank
I
God
look
for
at
the
him.
rich man where you find.
So
I hope he can help you.
I tell me they ask him. And so I look at him, he look broke. But see when he start talking, he talk rich.
So, true, somebody sound like they're rich, that mean they have money. They're rich.
He have his son, he say, I can't
Oh,
go show him.
God.
Must see,
Where is he? When you just see him, he look broke. But when you talk to him, he sound rich.
And talk rich.
Then if he talk rich, he sound rich. Because talking talk make you hear his sound.
He rich, mommy, then.
So he rich because he talk like a somebody very rich.
Mommy, he rich. You
Oh,
know rich?
God.
Look at the rich in me eye.
I see it too.
Rich.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Say back the coffee.
No, I not drink that. I do that. I don't drink. Then the same thing I want to call name poor or. Listen. Before you left from up with your father, you bring your medication with you? Or you leave them up there?
What's your power? What you say now?
Me say if you bring your medication with you.
Medication? Me get one injection. Me not get it though.
How when you figure? Maybe I'll follow you go take it.
No! People them a come right here.
Oh, God.
Me give them your address, cause you forget it.
Something wrong with you. But no ring with me. You see, if you don't want to see that lick the way you have turned blue or pink, no ring with me.
You see no ring?
You see the rich man where you see you find the top drawer the way they tell me about? You can't pack up your things and go on this party. The top drawer there?
No, me only no start talk fully, but give me a number. Number go 8763 36 36 91 91. Remember?
Let me answer for your number. I hope that top drawer can help you out of this roof. You see the roof here?
What you call it?
Out of this.
What you call it?
Out of this. Choo.
Right. You can't put up in our mansion.
No.
Now, choo in our mansion.
From him. You make him buy everything we want and give to you. I am okay.
So you're not
this way God bless me with no sorry for this. Because some people know how this. No, but that true, you hear me they say Ray and they call it whatever. Me know why me they call it so. Because so me call it. It better than nothing at all. Oh, God bless no man curse. Do not have disgrace. You see you come fi come disgrace me. And I need the piece of all out to come to come. You think you know easy? Me sorry for you, you know. You better go
you
look
up. No, man.
You're not going to stay with me and work, but you find rich man.
Cook?
You're big and fool. You hear man they talk like he and he sound like he rich. So that mean he rich. Go on out.
No.
Go on. I mean I could not give nobody.
No.
We are 18-year-old.
Mommy, you go on out. I have to cook. I don't think I make me some of the time I disrespect daddy, you know. Can me tell you I'm hungry.
Hey, you can come here so come disrespect me.
No, you're my mother.
So you say you hungry, me
Bible say.
Get up. Come out.
So yeah, Mr. Fa.
Come out and go on round this Augustia.
So give me a market, mommy go cook.
No, you go near me shit.
Shit?
You can't meet
so go shit tell your mommy so me can yam.
Me concentrate. I will never shit and give to you.
Actually you're sick. Me tell you say injection like you forget it.
Me have hard bone. Guess what? No ring with me come out.
Me that me they do.
Me not even go bother take my makeup. Go on out.
So now that me I do.
You're bright, but me fi come cook you.
Excellente.
Yes! I'm in love, yeah. I'm in love, yeah. I'm in love.
I hold him so happy.
I'm in love, yeah. What's up, you good?
I am man.
Yeah.
Only when your father in him young days him sing so you know.
Yeah.
So I make you so happy. I make you so happy.
You in love, mama.
We in love,
you're in
man.
love.
Yes, man, we in love.
You're in love, baby.
In love, man.
You remember the good old days when you used to sing and feel good.
Yeah, we're young again, man.
Young in love.
And that me love, you know.
Yeah.
Later you're gonna show me how you in love, baby.
Fine, young in love.
No, man, later, we have to save the strength, you know?
I will say if you're young in love.
We have to save the
Well, me
strength.
not see me young.
Yes, right. You're young.
Yes, man.
You're
and
young.
the love. We in love.
Baby, you know. Cause you give me one son, wish me you want plenty more children. But other side, you know, it's a part of life. It's a part of life.
Fine, young love.
So,
Oh, I must me.
How things, how you cope with things and everything all right and you
Yeah,
cook,
man.
right?
Yeah, man, everything good. And now you find love in me again.
That's
Eh?
better rest now.
Oh,
Right, yeah,
God.
listen up.
My big
Chill.
man, him know the birds and the bees.
No, man, my son uncomfortable when I do them thing, man.
What, for hug up your father, you're
Yeah.
comfortable. When you find you have your love, you know love.
Relax, man.
Eh.
You don't do them something in front of my son. You have to just understand the life.
Daddy, young in love.
Right. When me in love, me in love.
Yeah.
So when you're in love, you not show it.
Oh, you in love it? I
Yeah.
love you, man. I love you.
I
Aye.
show it. But the thing we not understand, you need to cut down on the cooking like how you cook. More you put more salt in the food. Yeah, every minute you complain.
Yeah, man, next time you talk, put your foot in it too.
You complain too much. Say, we are eating too much salt. Me tired of it. I don't know something I go through right now. If you make one tea, a cup of tea, give your son,
You can't manage.
You can't manage it. I don't understand that. And when you make me tea, you make it sweet, but when you cook food, you cook it salt.
Well,
Why difference?
the two no can make it for me and teach me then. Since the way me do it not good enough. Only do it for me. Me cook up and cut me 10. And you make the tea and you make the tea and make it for me till me learn how to make it.
No, you
Ungrateful.
can't do that. I am the man of the house. He is the second man of the house. We shall not touch anything in the house. The lady of the house shall cook, clean,
Two.
wash.
Man,
Two.
second man in the
Two.
house.
Second man two. Right now.
No.
The loving gone. All man twos.
That's how
Me
we
a talk
your
too.
mouth.
Huh?
No, me teach
Me I
in the
do
room.
everything in the yard and then have mouth to come complain to me. Me I try save on a life. And I love the salt and then I love the sugar and I love the bad things. Huh?
Let me ask you a question. You think it's right for you to cook rice and peas and it's fresh? You think it's right you cook the meat and it's fresh?
You love the salt and you want the high blood pressure. So here what? The same salt you ball for. When the cooking done, I may give you your dinner, just chips little salt on it or chips plenty salt on it. Better yet, open up the container and chips the whole lot of salt on it. Eh?
No, you cannot do that, baby. Alright. Son, me and your mother will talk.
Alright.
Cause me want to say it and me can't say it.
Love.
Yeah. Hear what me I say now. The thing is, the sex life now functional anymore.
Because you can't rise the machine no more.
No, you
So no
can't say
bother
that.
put that the one for me.
And you make the machine now rise. I think I say, set for the back shot. Yeah, you tell me say, yeah, arthritis, you can't bend. No, you cannot do that.
Let
There is
me
no-
remind you, say, the last time you fling me up in a wheelbarrow, I feel your hand slip and me drop and lick for me for it so. Every time you want try new
So what I know?
position, you can't grip me good.
So what I don't know? When me did throw you up, you could drop your pan and me see you poop. Me did fi tell hold you, me have to make it jump. You can't poop in a sex, you have to just hold it.
Hey, you look, you say me never pee too. Hey?
No, that's a skirt. Me believe in that when a skirt. But when you poop, you turn off a man who does go
You
to-
know how much time you poop
Yeah,
and
man.
belch and thing?
Yeah,
Eh?
man.
And me just, remember saying the two. Don't forget the two.
And then when me did that, you go hard, you tell me, say, it's Sunday next door. In the next door, you go like saying, no, so we are do things around there.
Hold on. I know you just 10 seconds ago go, don't hug me up in front of my son. Now you come tell me, say, me do wrong for quiet when my son will grow up next door. Really?
Sometimes
Make up your mind, man.
You need it.
Make up your mind,
You
man.
need it just young. Make me feel young again. You need to spray the young girl perfume. Make me feel young again. Every time you do that, me I feel I roll up my boy and I push in it. It don't make no sense. Me need to make it come up naturally.
Let me tell you something.
Remember back in the days when the fire, when I have fire, I just
I'm a burn up here and can't manage me. You
Right.
have to take him out and say how him hot and you have to cool down. I chew you burn out. Them say a bad workman, blame him tool. And I true that. A bad work, man. Blame the tool. So nobody put it on me here. Cause you can't perform. Nobody put it on me. Cause me still a hot girl. And me still can clamp you when me ready. Move and go along. You're lucky.
I'm happy. Oh my God. I wish you should have done that last night. You was lying down like a lady.
Sugar daddy? Yeah, Tiana, what? You alright? Yeah, me can't come. Me a big 18-year-old. What you talk about? Yeah. So, same place me gonna see you? Alright. Stop now. I make my brush. Alright, I will see you. Okay, sugar daddy. I'm going on the road. I'll be back.
Oh, yeah, move too fast. Listen to me now.
I just want to road me. I'm gonna come back.
Oh, come, sit down here, so. You talk about your sugar daddy this and your sugar daddy that. Oi.
Right, I find a sugar daddy.
Big up yourself. I don't say nothing. But listen to me now.
My sugar daddy, I want the money.
Don't worry yourself, man. You soon find out.
See me wear the glass here?
The light bill. Come.
Honey daddy, not sugar daddy.
Oh, Jesus,
daddy.
you listen to me? The light bill come. You have to go start pay. Water rate, light bill, everything you have to go start pay. Help buy food and everything. And you see, if it not go work out, so you have to go come out and go pay your own, go pay it in full. You are going to give me part of the money, me put part, and me cover the bill them, right?
You serious?
Yes, the bill them we cover that way there. So when you give me just carry go pay for them, so the whole of them covered.
Okay, me hear you. Me soon come now.
Okay, ma'am.
Me look good?
Make sure you don't make your sugar zazzy. Put on my glasses. You look
good?
nice, yes. Go on.
Me can catch it up as up on
Catch it anyway, me love, but remember, see if you help pay the bill then. I want to say that you want me to say, can you take it? All right. Everything right. Take care, one. Can I say I go to your sugar daddy?
Let me handbag, please. I didn't carry my handbag. Let me handbag.
So that the man they can buy one handbag?
He can buy me the whole store. Forget it, mommy. Then I search me for him. You know all you know is anything. I soon come back. Bright.
Oh, that was good. Hui. Can't bother get up right now. You good, son?
Up on the road, me I go out.
Mm-hmm. You alright? Yeah, man. You good up on the road.
Business like always, but there's something to tell you, know.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, say, daddy find one young woman.
Joke you make.
No, daddy find one young girl for sure.
Which young girl? Who?
No more.
A joke you make. Because he could never take up a next woman with me. Take up which? Wait, take up which next woman with me? Take up which next woman with me?
A joke me I make.
Don't make them joke with me, you know. Cause early I'm coming and I sing like same young and I go on like so me can't touch him. Which woman? Which woman him take up with me? Where there?
A prank. Sit down back, man. A prank. Sit down back. A joke
you
me
know,
I make.
so my head not good, you know. Don't run them joke with me, you know.
What does he want to say? I say a prank. What does he want to hear? I say a prank with you. I'm not find out, woman. No, sir,
and you did a sing about young love. Which young love you
feel young love, mommy. Feel the young love. Feel no thing. What I do? You know, find out about the truth. Sit down back, man.
You better know, you know, because I'm ready for boss head, you know.
Yeah,
which
man,
girl can take away my man?
Yeah, man. Which girl can take away your young man? Your old man. Sit down, mommy.
Oh.
Two of them men for each other, you know.
Nobody run them joke with me because certain things me not find funny, you know. You should know better, you know.
I drop my mommy.
Don't do it, you know. Cause right now you rise my pressure, you know. You rise the dup, you know me, you know. The volcano erupt right now, you know.
I drop, man. Just sit down now. I drop me make. You know, find out, no, sir. Not find out.
I know which kind of fool could I think say him a go give me bun?
No, my mother. You not getting a bun, mommy. I joke me. I prank. Calm down,
oh,
mommy.
Better know.
Where they go to cuss him and fight him off?
I would have bust on head. Me with a bus for him and then with a take she and bus for him. But
No, but you know, no bust, nobody head now bust today. A joke. A prank, man, a prank. Sit down, man. Mommy, you tell
no
us
run
your
them
temper too
joke,
bad
man.
now.
Certain joke enough to run with people, man. Don't run them joke with me.
True.
Sure.
But anyways, mommy, you good though.
Yeah, man.
Take it easy, man. Me up on the road, me I go. Up on the road, me again, and me say me I run out look one prank with a prank. Nothing too serious.
Better know, you know, cause head I go bust, you know.
I know.
Come in and yam bun with cheese, you know.
Alright, mama.
I'll fit. Don't ramp with me, you know.
I'll take it easy, man, later. So come back, yeah?
Alright. Joke not for make. Oh.
You reach though.
Yeah, man, me have to reach fast, you know. PS stress and problem there yard and things. So me call it say me go carry out, get you some ice cream and come back, show you my business place so you can understand the ropes. If you want to work there, can get work.
So if me gonna be a woman, why me have to work?
No, even if you be me woman, you have to work. I don't like a woman there me yard just sit down and look for me and bring me down instead of bring me up. I need a woman to push me.
Okay.
So you have to can push me. So if you can't push me, it don't make no sense. You understand? I need a woman who can push me. If you come at me yard, you have to know if you cook. You have to can wash. You have to can clean. If me not make no money, it don't make no sense to stay with me.
Me can wash my
You understand? Me like when a woman push me. Me not like when me have to get up a cuss. And I worry and I fret. More have to be free. If my mind free, me will make money. If me not make money, you not go happy, right? Because money make woman happy.
Right. Money make me happy.
Right. So if you not push me, you not go nowhere. You understand? So if you know say you not go push me, not start now.
Me will push you.
You will push me.
Yeah.
Remember,
Me push you now?
what kind of push you think me attack?
In the future, like, yo, heads up, encourage you, motivate, and then things there.
Right, you know me I talk about.
Yes.
You damn know. Yeah, if you can't encourage me or push me and say, yo, that, X, Y, Z, I me tell you, go there so, and you throw up, me not like it.
Yes. Like, call and say, I can't go to work. Me say, be, go on to work, you have to make money.
Right, me like that.
So
But
stay.
me no want you go tell me, say, do your thing. Every time you say something, do your thing. Every time you say something to you, you gotta make up your face. Me not like that. That will bring me down, make me not make no money.
Me make you make money, man.
So make me take a walk, I'm show you a place. Now worry about how me not no car, the car not there, so you know.
Reason about car, what?
So you see the whole place, that's why I like it.
Yeah, you look good.
Sorry, me couldn't carry you inside because the staff in there.
Oh, go on.
Oh, go on.
Me say, why yard me a come from me, say I play a piece of prank over there for mommy.
What kind of prank?
If you go, no yes, if you go over there, you might chat about it, you just work with the floor.
Oh,
You see me?
so me there, me show me look Empress.
I don't want nothing from you. I don't hide nothing from you. Come and like some girl. Tell your son say me not want him. I do not want you. So you dey talk about.
Why you tell my...
Daddy.
Me not understand
Why-
because you're talking loud.
Why you tell my woman to call you?
No, me a go so.
You go how?
So me a catch me. So
Oh,
I
catch him, catching years, man.
You know I'm there.
You see, that's time I say I'm married.
You know see move look away. Listen, I don't talk to little boy then nah nothing to offer me. I don't care about no more. And even if me did talk to little boy, I wouldn't talk to you because me your father deal. I'm a rate your father.
That's why I go marry her. See that? That's why I must marry you because you know how to make me feel young again.
And if you put up back your hand, boy, call. My fingers 28, you know no problem.
No!
Okay.
Are you a stepmother?
Yeah, look a stepmother. What
You
you
gotta
doing?
respect her, you know. And she, I gotta be a stepmother some
Daddy, me
today. You could have.
You
coulda
can't
what?
give him what me gonna give him.
You
So
could
you coulda
have.
what?
Look at me, young filly.
Young Philip.
Look at me, young stud boy. We're gonna make me feel young again.
Right.
Me I go buy some box of dye
And
next week
motivate him.
and dye out me here. I feel young. Your mommy can't make me young, so your mommy too
Alright.
old and crystallized.
Just know say anytime you go over there and hear him chat about the joke and run pan him, she not gonna like it.
I only hope you don't start up no foolishness, you
No,
know.
I want joke. Me I run with it.
Because me and your mother can't plant peas and line because she I get old and me I get old.
Anyway, baby, you hungry?
No, me not really eat from young girls, you know. Me only have young girls to make me feel young. Some of the young girl when you not clean on the body, you know have shit cock up in on the fingernail. And then you don't need flour give man. Me not in them something. No, it's not disrespect. It's the truth. Some of the young girl don't know how to wash up on the front properly. Right? Because you know beard and wash out the top alone. You know use the rag and push up in on the hole and scrub out it. You know do all of them something there. Right.
Push the rag up in a hole and
Scrub you out. Would go up in there so you have to push in there to scrub you out.
you can do it for me.
Oh, yes, it. My young thing, listen now. Why you see that? Your mommy never do that, you know.
So
Your
this
mommy,
way mommy I do.
your mommy always a hide.
Nah, so not see.
And guess what? All package here, you know. Brown, sweet, here doing that.
My bumper big if I like.
Oi, what the eye down so? What the eye down so? When you then look for that for?
No, yeah, tell me say
Then look more friend.
myself.
Oh?
Yeah, I say all package I look for myself.
Yes, all package. Medium
Look up
size.
boy, look up boy, listen to me now and listen to me good.
I can't go
But
to
go down here, go find sit do man.
buy them daddy. Later.
Control your son, you know.
Come follow guy again.
Control him.
Me I go on me yard. Come.
Oh, go on, so.
Hmm?
Yes, I have the right one coming. Right one coming. Me want to talk to you.
No.
Your son, come in, I even call him mine kind of funny. I say my run prank with me. Say, you find next woman out the road.
Sure. A prank that.
Prank? Which kind of prank that?
Yeah man, a prank.
You better not find woman out the street for real, you know? Cause me is not the woman for give bun, you know?
What you talk about? Are you alone? Me I know you see nobody out there, no. Me not know you see nobody, me still standing firm.
You better make sure.
I am always gonna be this firm. You understand? I will always, you know, so you have to just understand that a way of life.
Me gonna make it pass for now, you know? Cause me not see nothing.
Good.
But you see any day named day, and me catch you and she, me take one beat the other. Know that.
You can't do that. You have to just understand, say, time is not the matter of you just stressing and, yeah, you know, not feel frustrated, baby. I just that. That's all. You have to just do it, baby. Just tired. Why time you gonna have then the time if you find nobody else? Yeah, tired me out already. Me not got the time, me not got the strength. Me have to get up at night and spend my time and wash. Me have to catch water. You have to see the situation. So everything just run through the brain. That's all more than they cheat for you with. Everything when I go through my brain, it just...
No way, yes, I mean, I like the word cheat pan you with.
No, me like... A brain I get overflowed, you know, like... Sometimes I think it depart and sometimes it just stay, detach. You understand? Sometimes I feel like I want depart and then sometimes it just detach back.
Can him a run joke and I tell me, say, you find young love. And may I put two and two together. You come in and I sing like when we did young. And him I talk about young love.
No,
you find out a street.
You are my young love.
Know yourself, you know.
You are my young
Know
love.
yourself.
Alright, just tell Matty, go collect my partner jar. To show you how I respect you and nobody can replace you. Nobody but you. You know, nobody but you.
That better. All right. Soon come. Go inside, water and drink the then dinner ready.
All right. No
All
problem.
right.
Yeah.
Candy girl, how you do?
Right?
Yeah, man. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Long time I not see you,
Why me there look and live? How you?
Alright, you know. Alright. I want some live, you know.
So you move from when you move from down there, so
About 1.5 months now, almost 2 months.
that's so long me not see. Oh God, me should have shame.
That's not nothing, man.
You good?
Yes, me alright. I give God thanks for another day, you know? Yeah.
Every time. Why,
So where you going now?
Boy, me dey on a mission. My husband send me figure down a Missmatic collect him draw. Him
Which
partner
draw?
draw. So that's me I go, no, forget my Christmas, my New Year, all in a one.
Okay. And you look happy. Say you gonna get Christmas and New Year all in a
We never
one.
get to draw.
Which draw? Draws just or draw?
Never
Draws
get with partner draw.
or draw? Partner draw? Wait, what you say again? What you say again?
Missmatic.
Which one of the Matty where me, your husband and the rest of people them join partner
That's
with?
why I wonder how
That
you
they
going,
partner, they done me girl and me get the last draw. Where you go for?
What you really a say?
You know how long that the partner they finish? It finished till who not so how long I wanna show off the whole on no hand. Your husband show off the whole of him hand them.
So hold on.
No, me ask you one question. Your husband finished through every hand when he supposed to show.
Yes.
So
Him
who
man
in?
take money from me for fit.
Hey, that finished long time. Sorry, and me get last draw. Hush.
Let me ask you. When you get your last draw, when the last draw done?
About 3-4 weeks ago.
3.
A long time it done. A long time that.
You know, say, you gonna hear
Long
about
time
me.
that.
You gonna hear about me, you know? So that means and now me know what really are going, you know? Show me a tackling about certain things, cause me I hear him name a stink out a road, and me I tackle about it, and send me down there for collect partner dry, you know, cause him know so that will shut me up and make me go about my business, you know?
But maybe you don't know, so the woman partner draw done.
How?
Oh, sorry, because I always ban and he night, so you must know. Everybody when you know one partner must know when it starts and must know when it finishes.
Of course.
You're right. But hold on there. 10 tour in a one. That's how me enough, you know. That's how me little bit enough. Minor woman. Your husband take him partner drangy and then style you and send you to go collect partner. When he knows that the partner already finished, because I me get the last draw, so I don't know where you are going, you know, Charmin.
You know, say, we son Papa tell we run joke, and I tell me same fine young love out the street, and then them convince me say nothing no go so. Now this, then take me for idiot, you know. Them not know who me be, you know. My head would chip, you know.
Anyway, where did I go? Where you say I go down a fair yard? You still a go a yard? Are your husband you figure tackle?
May I go right now, so.
Me I want go down the road. Come
All
on.
right.
A long time we not
All right.
Later when you go up your chat to you, me and you chat what?
No, me and who, you know. No, me and who. Where you liar pooper there? Where in there? In the inside?
Daddy not there. I want you.
Me I talk to the old brute, right? And true me I talk to him about the truth, so the truth hurts. Him send me down to Miss Matty to go collect partner draw. Ain't I know so me will go for that.
Okay.
Send me down to Miss Matty for partner draw and a candy be sit there, a candy be sit down the lane, you know.
Mommy, Daddy call it that the partner draw the time last week.
As some me I get to understand.
Yes. Send him call it the money. I don't know him. Mom taking a buy or in flour. But maybe the prank communion video. You come to reality.
What you
Because I
talk?
passing on the road. You know, I'm not too bad what I say no because
No, talk. Come on, me have to know. Talk.
you know what I say nothing because I don't want to tell us you're frank again. So, we can't.
Where you pass him?
Eh?
Where you pass him?
I'm passing my road. I go about in business, within business.
Eh?
Ask me. Eh?
Eh?
You pass my road, I go about business in business.
Eh? Him don't know me a who, you know. Him don't know me a who. Give who bun. I make fool out of who. Where the see it there? Me a go for him.
Okay.
Where you been, man? Where you getting it from too?
That's when you see me.
Uh-huh.
All when you have a picnic.
Mm-hmm.
If you can avoid me when you see me on the road. Can you see the way you behave? Me don't want nobody who don't know already say me and your mama end up know.
She is my mother. Where's her number?
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about look at you. I tell the neighborhood say, me is your mother shame you not have.
Mm-hmm.
Because the
That's
way
true.
how you're this great, where they come from?
Hmm?
Where they come from?
Maybe sugar daddy.
So they come from your sugar daddy?
Yeah. Listen, mommy. In Canada, got tour the place. Show me businesses,
Mm.
in mansion,
Mm-hmm.
villa and things.
Mm-hmm. Now again.
Hmm? Hmm?
So you not get nothing for them because as you reach home, you tell me say you're
Me
hungry.
didn't tell you I'm hungry. I do me a contest with you. I'm like, give me one thing in the car.
So, but hold on. Me just buy me give me up this up from one man. If you
I'm
take it
sugar
in
daddy
you,
picky give me.
and you they come from man, we have
Hmm?
money like that, or you're the boss.
Mhm.
Or you come on my yard hungry.
Hmm?
And they left from your man yard, they have money.
I am my mother after all.
And it look like you're hungry, but because you do guinea seed.
That's why you have to give me two of
No,
this.
look how you do the guinea seed and you chat about the boss, so you. Oh,
But
yeah.
you not feed me. You know what I'm saying? Next time I go to my bunch and you know, you know, to eat. What is it?
You go tell your money man, say me not
Me
get nothing
sugar
to eat.
daddy, me man, right?
Jesus.
Oh, sorry, go. Give me one
So
more.
hold on. Me I wonder if you have sense. You go tell your man we have money.
One in a sense.
Wait, you have sense, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go tell your man we have money, say your mother not hear nothing for it.
Right, so you can give me something to eat. This is a me got sense. Me
Oh,
not so dumb
God.
for you, man. So,
Me know say you have sense, you're full of sense, but the sense when you have me,
You
me
see
give.
run
Watch
fence.
for you go and with me with the guinea. Or you will want
You know,
it.
so me not like beggar.
Are you
Hey,
there?
me not bother want it. Me not hungry. But don't hungry. You not sponge flyer either.
Hear me out. Wait.
Anyway,
Oh,
where's it
God.
down?
Just sure say the man when you talk to have money?
Hmm?
Oh, God.
I'm rich. Rich.
So, oh, you come from man, yeah, we have money and you are dead
You make
hungry.
them
So,
up.
look what you do, you give seed.
See, I'm
Me
for
see say
me
you
not bother want it.
No, you already eat it and me see you like seed.
See, that's me to show
You
me.
love
Mommy,
seed.
give me. Cause show up, me the camping food. See, let me see one of the
What?
person.
So you see woman a pass your pit out here and say you don't want it. As the woman pass you, they tell me to give you one next one. You're full of pride, so you.
Mommy, I can't cook. Give me hungry.
You don't have no shame when you say that. You don't have no shame. Cause you just tell me say they left from one man yard we have money. And you come and stress me out say you're hungry. Then you know me already. I ain't gonna cook for you, baby. Girl, you see that girl here? She a chat you. She just a chat you. I tell me how you about
Mom,
it.
you cannot do that. You make people beat me.
Why you pine for the girl and I tell me say the girl bottom flat?
But her body flat.
But you do it for thief or for gimmicks. You know no shame. Come on fire road. Where they come from? Where you come from sugar
You know,
daddy?
you see me come from sugar daddy
You
yard.
they come from sugar daddy
Yes.
yard broke.
No, me not
Go on
him
there go.
broke.
I know me yard did that
No,
come.
him broke. Eh?
How my yard did that come?
Your yard? Come
Yeah.
and go up in the yard. I'm hungry. Hurry up.
Before you're hungry. Me can't just imagine the type of old man we they chat to. So only could broke pocket man and they chat about man and sugar daddy. You know what is a sugar daddy? You can they come from one sugar daddy yard and they come in your mother yard. And they tell me if you cook you when you should they care money like what can give me. Eh? Me say you know have sense of you know. Go on, go cook. I know me a cook you. Go on. I go and go my business.
Come on, man. I don't have any eye. Come on, small amount of talk about something. You know what I say? I moving with my man soon. Moving with him. I'm gonna help you get one of that business then. Cause, yeah, you know what I say? Me, I go move. Me, I go move in with my man. Me, I go help you get one of that business then. And thing. Cause, me say you want little work. You can't just sing ahead every day and lay with me for and embarrass me. You hear me?
Me a hear you, me not have to send up when you're
Right. And you know, really show me the inside places them, but me see the outside and thing. Then me go help you get on that business then, cause me not like how you just sit down so. If I sit down so bills can't go pay, mommy. Bills cannot pay if I just
Let me go and name this like say mine. Look at girl.
Yeah?
Lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to me.
What do you mean, so? Me I say
I don't want you to help me to do any business. What me say, me no want you help me do no business.
Remember to get some
You're not
turkey,
working. What?
oxtail, and think, how much mackerel on this stuff? And that's why you're starting to favor one of them slowly but surely. No disrespect. So, mommy,
Give your girl something. Anyway, you see that the business that we are talking about?
You
I'm not
really
interested.
want
I
it.
don't want it, thanks, but I don't want it.
same out of drink business.
Make it drain. Make it drain. Make it drain. If it drain, go straight down your stuff. And go back up in your forehead. You talk too much foolishness.
Yeah, my mother.
Yeah. So I say your mother chat foolishness, not true. So you...
Come here, tell me I get business and you're going to say not business.
Me no want no business from you. Take your business and your man.
Business.
You know what? Who me not pay for it. You see the man the way you say I gonna move out, go to?
My sugar daddy, put respect on your name.
Okay, your sugar daddy.
My daughter sugar daddy.
Then me love. And when you plan to move out with him? Why you not want now? Why are we plan?
Me not confirm with him.
So you a plan to move out with him? You and him not sit down and talk about
He's
this?
the wife in his life. You hear? Wife in his life.
So you're married now?
Married? Actually, I see the ring yet.
On the marriage? On the marriage now? On the marriage now?
Me rich. Cause ring not come yet.
Your marriage?
Yeah.
Oh God. I'm sorry for you, but guess what? Thank you for the offer, but me not interested. Me don't want it. Me wouldn't mind. You make case and pick up your belongings, them.
You
Yeah, man.
You see when you pay other people like 30,000 a week, they could have get 60. Give me some of that chips. I'm only bad.
No, thank you. Make case and pick up your belongings and go on to your sugar daddy where you say rich.
Where glasses? Let me
Me alright, right? That's some. Feel God help me. Go on. Which glasses?
Mommy, you're not cooking food. Let me hungry, man.
Sit here.
Oh, and this news I catch a girl, man.
Eh?
Oh, me look.
I can use and catch you for man?
You sugar daddy. When you see me in that glass, so
you know, say yeah, me get bored. Yeah, me get bored. You finish talk to me, we can go on now, me get you lie down and sleep. Me tell you that you.
I true what me gonna say, you think about it.
Me not think about it.
You want the money. You gonna want the money.
If where they say, they promise too much, me ready for cough. Me cough off it. Me a cough off it. Come on for me chest, because you think say, whatever you just tell me, say can stay on this chest and digest, I lie at it.
Chips are choke. You want water?
Choke? Let me stay there choke. Me want choke. If you think say that they well, me a choke. Let me choke. Take up your belongings and go on to your sugar daddy. When you plan to move, you're not just supposed to go come out where you lie down. Me can send me to go cook like me your maid. They soon get it in them. They shall die for hunger. Me go cook it you. Yeah man. They shall die for hunger. Lazy. So, what is a young girl so boring? Every day you want me cook gay 18-year-old girl and they chat about you know have man with your money. Then go on a KFC and Burger King man, you know if you make me cook gay. Go on. Get up and go on. Me tell you that you go on. Yeah, go on.
Make a grandchild come give you.
Wait, go on, my love. Go on, no sorry for me, go on. So, phones is shut there. When man wearing color here, what's the thing me I wash it?
Oh my God. Where I come from? From morning till mother get up so early. When get up gone for?
Oh, you don't know I'm gone.
What up?
And I'm going to Chicago.
Chicago with her?
Let me go send a Panama. She would have been a Panama down there.
So your fee says so. Your fee says me I that kid left part of money down there. I said, your mother should have used the command sense. I was 6 hand down there. And I never yet said I go collect one. So oh me I go say I go collect the last hand. That's how me fool.
Yeah, I know you come back out. Name up himself. Say,
I don't business with your mother. You know. My mind are focused on it.
What going for the young girl?
I see me just tell about. My mind are focused on her.
You still not give me a strive. I stand with mommy.
Yeah, man.
Which young girl your mind are focused on right
No.
now? You me want see. You are the right one me want see. Which partner draw her down on Miss Matty? Huh?
Him correct, you know.
You lie.
So tell him now. Are you correct partner, Jar? Him correct. Yes. I'm telling boy woman birthday and I'm carry her out and buy her a drink and them something. And I say, alright, son, do your thing. I see a young girl me I talk about, I'm feeling young
Mommy
girl.
make you do it a blind. Tap that.
You man want movie in the young girl, you know? Starting tomorrow, the young girl out there. So, he must stay in my son room while his son stay in a full room.
Really? I'm
Really?
stay in a family room with she.
No,
If I'm my woman, me I got turn in my room with her. I only stay in a
no, we are Christian, son. So you stay around and for me and my woman room. So we go in
So
a
my
hall.
woman I go in my room. I'm in a phone room.
Yeah, I'm staying in a hall. Are you staying in a hall then?
No, me stay in my room. Oh, that's something for you. No, child.
Real fool.
Relax, no man, you'll get tip. Yeah, relax, man, you move so. You make she stay in your room by himself, so nothing no go on to fornicate and no belly no come in here. Right? So she will stay here for a while. So we make him stay in a film room, and in case in a full room or in the hall.
You fully take me for idiot, not
Who
true?
that?
You fully take me for idiot. Me nah go prison
Mommy.
and me nah lose my place in a heaven for you.
Mommy, calm now.
Calm
Relax.
now,
Yeah.
calm now.
Chillax,
You
man.
you get taken for a fool and make me see you calm. Huh?
Nobody can take me for a fool.
Exactly.
If
You
you're
said-
lucky, you want somebody to take you.
Me not take you for fool. If fool is just in the house, but me not take you
The
for
fool is the
fool.
two of uno. The two of uno are fool to this too long.
You
No, daddy, listen now. You're a fool for she a fool for uno. Uno are two big fools. So uno work together. Uno come
What you
down.
mean by
I'm
me
gonna put me in this come me ready to raise my hand because me want to know who you are rank with, sir.
What you try to say?
Now fools. No?
You know what is a fool?
You
No. You know what's really a fool? Is my son will never yet get up and go look at job. Is a fool.
alright.
Is my son where everything his father wants, him want.
No, I don't want everything that you want.
Everything you see me want, you want. Every time you end up on the road and me want that, you want it. Why? And you can call me fool. So who the cap fit? But they say, let them wear it.
Mommy, deal with it.
Show me stone in a hand pen, me never call no name. Right? And you call me fool. But let me tell you something. If you plus a fool with a fool, it's too big fool. You understand? So me under the house with a big fool.
So now I talk fool in a code. All me no say, you not trick me with money, you know. Me have my own a friend and my own a fool with them own the money that is giving me my money. So
Who give you money? Who give you money,
none of
mommy?
your business.
Yeah, here.
None of
You
your
about own a
business.
fool
Cause
and
all of we
give
are
money.
fooling at this.
You know see what happened now?
All of we are
Show
fooling
me
at
tell.
this.
Show me tell.
So
Say,
me
everybody
have
a
my
fool.
partner
Everybody
draw
have been a
too.
fool.
no, me
Me
say
Me I
something.
get my partner
Show
draw.
me tell her I say she not dressing young. She gonna wear batty rider shorts today.
Mommy, that the other.
Eh? Why would I try?
Like it's the first time you
Mommy,
see
me
me
tell
in
you
it.
something. You see if you're in a
Why would I try?
relationship with daddy, and if you have to wear battery rider and belly skin and them nice something there, I don't feel.
You hear see me in a relationship with him?
So on the left.
That they trick me and run me to me smatty make me turn
Oh, on the
idiot.
left.
You see why
Like
me-
on the
you
left now. That simple mean say.
That's
simply means say what?
No, on the left. On the left.
Huh?
On the left.
Right now me feel like left.
Feel like, oh God, only feel like.
Left now something can tell mommy good news.
Yeah, tell me the good news. Left now. Coming off for left too.
I'm not afraid of you, friend.
Left now. Coming off for left too.
Tell her that now.
Me have me young thing.
Uh-huh.
Me have me sweet young brownie.
Uh-huh.
Sweet 18. Me business.
Uh-huh.
She make me feel young.
Uh-huh. What else she
Look
do
how
for
me
you?
just. Me just young.
Amen.
Uh-huh. What else she do
You
for
see,
you?
me tell you see what me there tell you say that.
Well, my
She
son,
give me a
you
quick-
have new step sugar daddy. That we see when me clamp him and him happy. You know, see me I'll get new jewelry.
Mommy,
At
listen.
24
Watch out
karat
now.
gold this.
Watch out now, watch out now,
At
watch out now.
first. So leave. Trick. New woman. Me no business. Come me have my man I deal with this. Real man. So you see me stand up here quiet. Me no business.
Loco.
Me loco.
But you
Me
know,
loco.
you know, you what happen now? You have to go pack and go now, you know. Come here
Really?
moving my young thing today.
Really?
No,
Really?
listen.
How old you be? How old you be?
You nah move on, mommy, and take you
No,
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 nobody, no. If mommy come out, woman have to stay out.
You see?
No, come in here. No more. You have to go somewhere else with them, daddy.
What you tell me, say? How been this?
And you will Billy, but remember you say I'm a second man in the house.
There's no second man in this backside. Me is the only man here. And when me say my young thing, if you come here,
My thing come.
Well, here what? Are you young thing? Me, my rich thing, can you see law in past 5 years old? So anything over 5 year common law wife, me name. Half for you and your dirty woman, and the bigger half, a million woman now. For me and my king. So no problem.
Where is it come
We're
on?
problem.
Where is it come on? What?
You are the common, and me the wife. By law, me no business with you chatting now. That's me no business with you
You
chat.
think Allah ever know how we nail in this?
Me business.
Let me tell you
Let me
something.
take
Flash
you
news.
to courthouse now.
Flash
The judge
news.
gonna tell you what is what.
Shut up.
Me have
Hold
ring
on,
to
man.
me
Shut up.
finger.
Shut up. Let me talk now. So, you feel say the law I gonna get off of this.
The
Guess
bigger
what?
half too.
Guess what? You wanna know what? You see everything where you see there, so even the plates, me buy them in my sister's name.
Dear
So guess what? You don't got nothing to get because I don't own nothing yet.
Okay, so me now for fight you then. So you just go along. It's
Right.
all mine then. You just say in front of witness, so you don't own nothing, yes, sir.
witness not there, sir.
Nothing you
I want
own,
the
yes,
evidence. I
sir.
want the
Say it's
evidence.
all mine. You're right. You're right. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
me have to love you, because you're right.
Alright,
I mean, I
alright,
own
alright.
half.
Amen.
Everything.
Hallelujah.
Talk to you, man.
Everything.
You're bright out subject. Talk to you, man.
They gonna find out, son. Turn
Talk
up.
to
Me
you,
can
man.
put, why me can put my hand anywhere I want to put it?
Daddy say you have to leave. So just.
Leave.
Put me out. Put me out. Their name, they put me out of this. And me bring you, and me can take you.
Take who?
Put me out of this. Put me out.
Where you go?
Put me out then. You're a big man.
No.
You're a big man. I was going to give you half, but you give me the whole of it. So if anybody for put out who I may put you out. Put me out now.
I know me only. Everything in my sister's name.
My business.
So,
My business.
you have to go.
Me look at me say put me out. Put me out.
Talk
Yeah,
to you.
man.
Talk to you,
Yeah,
man.
man too.
Talk to you,
Yeah,
man.
man too. Put me out.
Talk
See
to
me
you,
out?
man.
We not about to put you on.
Oh, that's nice.
That's
it.
That's
No,
nice.
no, no.
That's
Where you just
nice.
say?
She
Hey,
can't
you have
stay.
to ask a little child to
Remember,
put me
I'm
out.
here second man now, so make a decision too.
I have to ask a little
Alright,
boy
put it
to put me out. Let it go.
Your piece of my bone grass.
No, not yet.
So all the backside you have to talk about second man.
Eh?
Eh?
Yeah, you say it now, you say it as well.
No second man not running there, so.
Can me run things around me.
I'm me and the only man here, so whether first, second, or last, it's going to be always me. Listen, we're the first man here, and I will be the second man for stay here, and I will be the last man for left here.
I
You
love
hear that?
too.
So you see your
Mommy,
mother, if
take
you don't
care.
want left with your mother, you make your mother go. Go for
Left.
your bag.
Me said once,
Me
me
pack you
said
already. Go
twice.
for it.
You're a bad man. Put me out. See me out. See me out.
Remember, you know, I have a restraining order down there. We make sure we go to station, you know.
Go
Then
now.
you say you should have stayed.
Then go down this and bust your left and bust your right and bust your left and do it. Then now but pull me out if you think you're bad, Sefe.
Yeah, man. Follow that out of the gate.
Do it now.
Mommy, tell me wicked.
Me wicked. I just know you're fine out to me wicked. I just
that
know you're fine out to me
If
wicked.
you want Tanya and earn, put that out.
Mommy,
Put
just
me
do it
out.
now. If you're not doing me, I go homeless, you know, just do something.
Homeless then no.
Just go on.
Put that
go
out.
I tell you where me I go with my bag.
Go on,
Me
then
I
you
go
should
in
have
my yard and form a real man. But put out. Drunk. You think
You
say you're bad? You
You
think
see-
say you're bad? You're
your
not
mama
better
don't come
than
out.
me. Oh.
I take you out of
I
me.
mean, put her in.
I take you out of me willing. I make sure say you go to prison. You see all the gun where you did put your hand pan. Me still have a fingerprint pan you know. I go down a station go plant it down there. Make them lock up your backside if your mama don't come up by tomorrow. Cause you see my little sweet brown in the one go down in a that because twin in a that. So go to convince her. Go and convince her. Run her out. Anything, do everything. Me pay you. Run her out. Make sure.
Dirty style, yeah.
Me I go pan the road go check my brown in. Cause she did say she a cook.
God, I'm tired. Mother. One. What is that?
Make it stay.
Me cook and everything. You want food? Me dig up on the road, you know?
What?
Dig up on the road. I'm confirm with my baby father. You hear me?
You know, just sit around this up, prepare chat about outer road.
Dig up on the road. I confirm with sugar daddy.
So, where
I'm
you
moving out
confirming
tomorrow.
Make a run. Look here, you don't run some serious road.
Eh?
Yes.
We confirm with sugar daddy I'm moving out
So
tomorrow.
when you left out of the yard, I mean, I know.
That is the point. You don't have to know me 18. Me up. Mommy, a big woman you have you know?
Oh.
Big woman, ready to take man. Big man. Big man.
You ready for take?
Big man.
Wow.
Mhm.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Mommy.
So,
see
where are
ready
we
to
pan?
tell me?
Where are we pan to take the man?
Eh? Like a big man?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move out tomorrow.
So why you not going now? Come me tired of you. And this
Mommy.
sugar daddy argument.
Now,
Yeah,
so I'm post that. Woman to woman, right? When daddy saying one dog style, I heard that. Come only know about helicopter. I'm a breed in here, so whoop, one at a time. So what dog style? Yeah? You want to get that? See which class with? What style going to Daddy. You know, I talk to you sometimes, you're like a little picnic and I'm me a big woman. And you're a big one and me a big next big woman.
The sugar daddy where you have. He's supposed to have experience at every style.
He have experience, he tell me say,
So at him you
I
fi
want
ask.
lizard black.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, me would try dog style, but me don't know any dog style. So
Me
me
hear
go
you.
ask you.
So like how you don't know making sure you don't ask me.
You can't show me
You
too.
say a big woman you're
You
supposed to
never
know
did that,
everything. You have to put the world before time put on your head for.
Me a 18.
Mm-hmm. That's
I
it.
love to take man. That's why God give me God so to take man. Alright.
Certain conversation I'm not going to hold it with you. I don't care if you're 100-year-old. Yes, when you go to your big man with your plan for take,
Yeah.
make him teach you everything. Me now go tell
Big
you.
man. No,
Yeah, man.
no. Man, I. You know, hear that sound, man?
Hey, big up yourself,
Hmm?
man. And this a stupidness you come in and you come contact me about, don't
No, because I'm telling you, I'm over tomorrow. But we
Jesus
just did a
Christ. How
half
much
so
hour
we
left
move
for
tomorrow,
tomorrow
give me
come?
bad style.
How many? Look on your phone. How much hour left for tomorrow come? For me can't wait for you boy.
25 more hours.
Why you don't?
And you remember that? Oh.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Then
After 5.
me,
And 24 hours left for the day done.
Then you caught me.
Big up yourself. Go on
Then
and
I
tell
know
it.
that shit.
Yeah, man. Go on.
Can you look so? I do me the breathe fire.
Hmm?
I do me the breathe fire.
Yeah, breathing.
Yes, dear. Then I
I
hear
tell daddy say, man.
your father can do something.
Oh, you know that? Oh, minute before that, you know. You
I
tell
do
me
me
what
a
to
breathe
daddy.
fire. Do I'm breathing for.
No,
Hmm?
no.
No, what you doing today?
I can't hurt you.
Chill. Come on, chill fast.
Ah, you know me? No, mommy, there's someone on the road.
This man making the baby.
Oh, sure.
Mm-mm. Hello.
What, man?
Hi.
Are you friend?
No?
Who is she?
Yeah, I'm a mother.
Okay.
Daddy gave me a
Daddy who?
Daddy gave me a mother. My
My
mother.
sugar daddy?
So if you... I confess you what is going on and to collect a few things.
Oh, we there.
Collect few things. Alright, here you hear the good news. Eh?
Which good
Collect
news you not
few
drop down
things.
yet? What kind of good
Eh?
news?
Drop down where? In a wish house. You know, see, new
Let me
progress.
get the good news.
Listen.
I am
Shit.
pregnant for Bob.
Do I?
Pregnant for who?
Him. Every time you go on the road, him come in and play. And see when play and he scored game, he win the game.
So, son, you not only I eat out of my hand, but you dig out me.
Daddy, you know what you didn't say? Like,
Yeah.
You are him.
But me
You
did tell
are
you. I mistake.
Mistake when?
Daddy, somebody have to keep our
Stop
company.
talking. It's no mistake.
Say
Can you
which
breathe
company?
something?
Keep which company?
Yeah, you can't. Sometimes when they find alone, they always and I'm alone there.
You can't breathe something?
What is
See?
that?
See?
This?
Karma.
Wee.
Karma. Yeah, and you laugh. I think it's funny. You carry here to be my child.
Me laugh,
I'm going to put out my
Oh.
wife.
You too lie too. You too lie. That's why me laugh. Cause you're a big idiot. You can't breathe me.
Of
You
course.
let a good woman see you want young things. You get the young thing. You're gonna get all a young grandchild.
Okay.
Daddy,
You tell me lies say you have shut up. You tell me lies say you have mansion. You're rich. I decide pop down mansion.
Let me ask you a question. Am I the only man lie? Am I the only man lie?
Just if you're a moment, me did I take you serious. But once me find out say that you lie, incoming as you fly in pitch.
I'm going to give money for take care of a woman and you use the money at bribe
So
the
me
woman.
not take care
Anyway,
of
me
her,
gonna want some money to do. You wanna see how that
Daddy, can't give her some money for you.
You want the money to see if a boy or a girl. Alright, you want the money.
Not bother with it.
honestly.
Hey.
Wait, I must.
Thank you, Joe. You make me witness
I'm gonna
this.
laugh at baby.
Me no
Baby, chillax,
No,
man.
go for your baby mother.
No,
No, sorry.
I can't buy
Your
that, man.
grandson or granddaughter.
No, man, that's a butters. The whole neighborhood run through that.
Who is the whole neighborhood now?
No, relax now. We don't want them the girl there. Then the girl can't take in a year class. You see it just.
Okay.
It's just hot now.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you're hot, baby.
Okay.
And you is the wife.
Uh-huh.
The apple of my eyes.
Okay.
Them girl is a nightmare.
Uh-huh.
I know that when she there, she nasty. She nasty. She don't even know to cook rice and peas.
Oh no.
She cooking rice first and throw the peas in there and
Oh
cooking.
God, hush.
And then add more water in it. I'm telling you, scrape off the peas them off the top. The idiot add water in it and this rice soft out.
Oh
The
God,
things they want to go through, none of them can cook. We miss the cooking. As much as it's fresh, we miss it. You know, we like, and to be honest, right now, me change. With a change, man.
Whoa.
Me no want no girl with a old or young. Me loyal to you.
Okay.
Me Charmaine Henry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Me born, me let me get dead, me la no Henry na this.
No, me have
better
my
put
last
nothing
name.
on this. Okay.
And the house, me talk to my sister.
Okay.
So me go put in a your name.
Oh.
Yes, so you can come back.
Oh.
And let me tell you what again, more do for you. You see, look at $5,000 left, because we didn't really have enough and she shell it down.
Oh.
But we have 5,000 left. I'll give that.
Okay.
Can buy a couple of juice, you know?
Okay.
And I'll buy some nice cologne and some panties and, you know, the whole shebang.
Well, you know what? Remember what you did tell me and want to take the shovel out of my hand for run me? You don't have to run me no more.
No!
Because
No,
right now...
I was high. kind of never know what. Cause even when you're gone, I say to my son, so where you there? We can't find you.
Let me answer that one then.
Uh-huh.
Me did there with my man. Not man too. Me there with my man. You know, see how me look nice.
cheat for
Me
me.
are, no, which cheats? I'm a free and single and disengaged
No, you
woman.
can't say that. Cause you know,
Oh God!
The
And
dedic-
since I'm a loyal woman, I'm a one-man woman. So here, we just thank the Almighty,
You
say,
can't-
make me witness this.
you can't give me a chance. Me understand say me fuck up.
Uh-huh.
And I need you back.
Okay.
And I apologize.
Oh.
And I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm willing to do everything in the house now.
Okay.
I will wash, cook,
Uh-huh.
clean. I will wash the jars with my hand, not the machine.
I'm a
Just
dirty
show you.
dress too.
Yes.
What
just show you
a
how
way you
We
change.
change now. We change.
Uh-huh.
Just take me back.
So here what? You see my king bean?
Mm.
Me not even going to give you him. You see my king bean that put jewel upon my hand and pretty designer clothes upon this your body? Me a one man woman, I always was and always will be. So my king bean me I go back to, me just come forget the rest of my bag and jam make me come at the right time. So here what? You me got the feel. Your son, Kaiman, me not know picnic no more. You, your son, your grand picnic, and your daughter-in-law. Me just go, actually, no, me keep the bag, because I'm not gonna need more things. And my man set me up in my business and everything.
Your business?
Yes, you know, so send me a big hairdresser now.
Let
So,
me get my clothes and come
yeah, man,
to
go
you.
get your clothes. Go get your
Me
clothes.
can't go and
Yeah, man, go get your clothes.
get it?
Yeah, man, go get it
All
right
right,
now.
baby.
Go get it, man. Go get it.
No, get it and come. Yeah.
Damn fool. You must think me a damn fool like you. Sakwe salo.
Babes. Babes.
So what you say you're going to do? I have to take full responsibility.
Oh, me say me I go do. Well, first of all, you don't have no sense. Because what you should have do, you should have carry the baby and make daddy mind the baby until the baby start going to school.
You know what me should do? Carry the baby, make your father breed me, and I'll give you jacket. But that make more sense.
Well, at least, why? But what me I say is, you see true you do all of that now, you have to go near it.
So what you not going near me?
What?
Your brain.
Where I say it to your mouth?
Me feed that your belly.
Where will I say it to your mouth?
Me feed that your belly.
Like me. Hello, listen. Nyam the baby. Nyam it. I don't want it. Good evening, mama.
Hi, beautiful.
What kind of dash you got and name argument there for?
Want me dash me baby?
Which baby if I never know say you're breed? So you're pregnant?
So me didn't tell you me move up with my sugar daddy.
You say they
Sugar daddy.
move out. Me never know say you're pregnant. So you're breeding.
The sugar daddy don't start daddy.
Me
Now him
say,
baby.
you know everything. Me don't want no smile on your face. Because of everything you take for you. Sugar daddy, old man breed you. What? Him fi take
The
it.
old
What
man
you
no
say?
bother breed me.
So you and this one of the two?
Me and the old man
I'm
did
a
that
father.
talk, but I'm
I'm
father.
father, sugar daddy.
But I'm not sugar daddy again. I'm my baby daddy.
You say?
I'm a father.
The father get her pregnant?
No, I'm a father woman. But I'm my baby.
Are your father girl this? Cause no woman no behave so. And the with pan son. Where you say, are your father girl this?
Girl.
And a for your baby mother?
Right.
No understand this. So your family running in your blood?
Come here. Me to find daddy. Daddy is here to find you.
Everything you take for joke.
But I know
Everything you take for joke.
mom.
I saw your work list. So you're there with the papa and breed for the son?
But me just say with it.
Oh,
Don't
mommy.
make me fash. Hey.
I can't follow me up, man.
Candy, you are going here, so.
Problem, me love. Problem.
Anything him there, no problem.
This a whole jackass here when me say I'm my daughter. Say she breed
Should I
for...
shame to say
Oh,
that?
you won't.
She are your daughter?
Kinda. Same breed. Are your son this?
Kinda.
What you mean, kinda?
Breed for your son and in there with Fimpa.
Which is her.
Which is her what?
Well, you in Candy. I want net you, so. This me bring from hospital.
Go
Say
on,
I'm
me
a
hungry.
son.
And this is really a comment.
Let me go here, but they did pay you.
Be your daughter.
Now move back in.
Move in and take my so-called thing, daddy.
I see you in a clamping.
Sake of she, my thing, and my son too. Say them a put me up as the best thing, me get the
So
best
Shani,
man.
how long you know
To
me?
find out,
Cause
say.
the boy I grow big, make me know when he little, me not even know that wait there. So you never know that my daughter did.
No,
You
me
could
not
not
know.
bust her
Me not
ass
know
when you
see
hear say she there with your man.
But for us, never mind.
Me now bust her ass candy because she do me the biggest favor right now. Me
You
have
could have
business.
clamped the man who would take him.
Me the business, you do the
Mama.
best thing.
Yeah, man.
Mama,
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, too. Yeah, man,
Wait,
too.
hold on there.
Like a papa.
Yeah, talk to me. So to them read, sir, and you come see him growth after this side, not even realize yes. Anyway, you see, it won't no match. Come over here, sir.
come baby daddy.
Your mother they talk and me they talk. And
Alright.
the two of you.
There. And I breathe.
In the midst of the argument, you not even listen to sound you can't learn. Guess what? Stay with the papa and stay with the son. No come back at me yard. Come on.
You're right.
Me we talk. Don't.
Mommy,
All cabbage stick together.
that's why I take your
You
man
lie
back
with
for
that.
him.
Wait,
That's
why
why
you
you
hold on for this? Are you
Not
buy?
him.
Oh, don't tell her that.
Wait, alright, him. Wait, what not pull him back for? What you want?
Ask him that.
You know where you look for not true. You want 2 out of 5, done. Me say if you want 2 out of 5, leave me alone. The only thing me see you come on me yard come do
No,
as friend
Papa,
this
baby,
a day
bring
ya
on.
family ram.
Family, are you
The
put
only thing, no worry yourself,
My
man.
baby
You're
that talk to
confused.
daddy and him too,
You're
brother.
confused. Yeah, man, make up story. Come on me yard, come take out your
Tell
clothes.
your man to come check me.
Eh, me a message.
Hello.
God deal
Yeah,
with
me
you.
say.
No, man, that's not true.
And just deal with it.
Hear me say, just me and me and deal with it.
Girl, don't bother with that for me and business. Just get rid of the baby, isn't it?
But tell your
Give
father
myself.
if I want him now. You can tell helicopter door, mommy.
No, mommy, me. Cause he look like a fuck then up in a hospital. Me no have no pitney babe
Look
like
for
you.
me.
The best thing we should have done is name the two of them all long ago.
You wait for me.
Take your long.
Yeah, you reach the end of the movie. Tell me if it's nice. Remember, share the movie. And this movie still I do. The giveaway upon this as much as I hear me they talk about Panama and not the giveaway at the first of the intro. We're still doing the giveaway and this one. So share it to 5 people. Make 3 people subscribe. Each 3 person who subscribe is a ticket. Each 5 somebody you share to is a ticket. And even if you share to the other people, them same one can share to 5 people and text me to and get a ticket. So come on, people, share the movie. The more views and the more we can do the movie, then better. You know what me see go? You know what see me do all the beach, video the beach. You know what see me I'll take plane carry them go shoot somewhere else. Make them get a good view. Or tour the whole of Jamaica, because Jamaica is beautiful, very beautiful. There's a lot of places we can catch, but there's no help to push the movie. Less views, less revenue. You know, that's why the more me just tell and say, everybody want me to start a channel because if there's no views, which I can't pay them because they are worth more than what you expect. They are worth more than I expect. But please, remember to like, share, and subscribe.